Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table? Those loyal customers who would happily pay a little extra for consistent, top-notch service? What if you could transform those one-off jobs into predictable, recurring revenue, building a stronger, more stable business in the process? That's the power of membership programs, and if you're already using Housecall Pro, you're in the perfect position to tap into this game-changing strategy. Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into how you can create and manage thriving membership programs right within your Housecall Pro account. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine a homeowner who loves your plumbing services. They appreciate your professionalism, your punctuality, and the quality of your work. Instead of waiting for an emergency to call you, what if they could sign up for a yearly maintenance plan? This plan could include an annual inspection, drain cleaning, and maybe even a discount on any necessary repairs. For them, it's peace of mind, knowing their plumbing is in good hands and they're potentially saving money down the line. For you, it's guaranteed income, a consistent workload, and the opportunity to build even stronger relationships with your best customers. This isn't just limited to plumbing, of course. Think about HVAC companies offering seasonal tune-ups, electricians providing safety checks, or even cleaning services with recurring schedules. The possibilities are vast, and the benefits are undeniable. So, how do you actually bring these membership dreams to life in Housecall Pro? Let's walk through the key steps. First things first, you need to define your membership tiers. What different levels of service will you offer, and at what price points? Consider offering a basic plan, a standard plan, and a premium plan, each with increasing benefits. For a plumbing business, a basic plan might include an annual drain inspection. A standard plan could add a water heater flush, and a premium plan might even include priority scheduling and discounts on repairs. Think about what services make the most sense for your business and what your customers would value. Next, you'll want to clearly outline the benefits of each tier. Don't just list the services. Explain the value to the customer. Instead of saying annual inspection, say annual comprehensive system inspection to identify potential issues before they become costly emergencies. Highlight the savings, the convenience, and the peace of mind that comes with being a member. Once you have your tiers and benefits mapped out, it's time to head over to Housecall Pro. Navigate to the membership plans section. You'll usually find this under settings or a similar configuration menu. Here, you'll be able to create your different membership plans. You'll give each plan a name, a clear description of the benefits, and set your pricing. Housecall Pro allows you to set recurring billing schedules, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, making the payment process seamless for both you and your customers. A crucial step is to integrate your membership program into your existing workflows. Make sure your team is knowledgeable about the different plans and can confidently explain them to customers. Consider adding information about your membership options to your website, your invoices, and even your email signatures. When you're on a service call, don't miss the opportunity to talk about the benefits of becoming a member. Often, customers are already happy with your service, making them prime candidates for a recurring plan. Train your technicians to identify opportunities and present the membership options professionally. Housecall Pro also offers tools to help you manage your memberships effectively. You can track active members, view upcoming renewals, and even set up automated reminders to ensure smooth billing and prevent lapses in membership. Leverage these features to stay organized and provide excellent customer service to your members. Think about incorporating special perks for your members. This could include exclusive discounts, priority scheduling, or even access to a dedicated customer support line. These extra touches can significantly enhance the perceived value of your membership and encourage renewals. Don't forget to actively promote your membership programs. Send out targeted email campaigns to your existing customer base, highlighting the benefits and offering incentives to sign up. Consider running social media promotions or even offering a discount for customers who sign up during their next service appointment. It's also important to regularly review and refine your membership programs. Track which tiers are most popular, gather feedback from your members, and make adjustments as needed. Your membership program should evolve to continue meeting the needs of your customers and the goals of your business. One often overlooked aspect is the power of bundling. Consider offering discounts to customers who bundle multiple services into a membership plan. For example, a homeowner might sign up for a combined plumbing and HVAC maintenance plan at a reduced rate compared to purchasing them separately. This can increase the value proposition and encourage more signups. Furthermore, think about the customer experience. Make it easy for customers to sign up for a membership, manage their account, and understand the benefits they're receiving. Clear communication and a seamless process are key to retaining members long-term. Housecall Pro's features can help you automate much of this, from sending out renewal reminders to processing payments. Take the time to explore all the tools available to you to streamline your membership program management. Finally, remember that building a successful membership program takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Be patient, be persistent, and continuously look for ways to improve and add value for your members. The long-term benefits of recurring revenue, stronger customer relationships, and a more stable business are well worth the investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.